Here's Edits and Instagram app. So let's just take a look at it. So I just created an account. You can see how to do it in my previous video. So this app is supposed to be like alternative to CapCut. This is basically the same niche. You just want to have easy, fast, but quite advanced short video editor. And this is an app from Instagram which you can use, and then you can upload your work directly to Reels or TikTok. So you can export your videos with no watermark and share to any platform. Keep track of all your drafts and videos in one place. Capture high quality clips up 10 minutes long and start editing right away. Easily share to Instagram in 1080p. So this is the idea. Yeah, so let's just open it up. Here you have your collections, your saved videos. Then you also have some kind of quick overview what people already created in this app in here. So you can that's just what it is. Then you can see your own project. Then you can also record it right here in the app, and then you can see your insights, your analytics. So that's basically the idea of this. So for example, if we again just try to create just like a basic project, so here you just load in media, it creates like that. You can add another clip, you can add voiceover. In the top you can just change resolution and color. You can name your project, and then there is audio in here, then there is text, then there is voice, which you can add some voiceover. Then there are captions. You can auto add captions, overlay, just additional overlay, different sounds, just cutouts and stickers. So that's the idea. And then yeah, you have your text also add in here, all editing options, and then just export in it. As you can see, there is really no watermark. You can instantly share it to Instagram or to Facebook, but yeah, it's being saved in here, and there is no watermark, so it's kind of completely free app to do these basic edits. But it's quite snappy, it's super fast, easy to use. Of course, it's not like super advanced, it's just for basic editing, but it's good enough, you know, if you're doing some basic videos for TikTok or Instagram Reels. So and again, it's free app. So compared to CapCut, I don't know, do you need to upgrade in CapCut? Obviously, CapCut is kind of advanced, a bit more advanced in editing, but this app is free. So this is more like marketing app for Instagram, where, you know, Instagram and Facebook wants you to use your Instagram account to create in here and maybe retarget you with ads and all of that. But yeah, pretty cool. Here you have some ideas. You can save some reels and save reels to collection. So this is kind of your library. So there you have it. That's basically how you can start to use it, and that's what it is.